In this video, I will show you how to lock a folder in Windows 11 without using any software. This method uses a simple batch script to hide and password protect a folder. Follow the steps carefully. First, open File Explorer and navigate to the location where you want to create your locked folder. Right-click in an empty space, select New, then choose Text Document. Open the text document and paste the code given in the description below. Replace your password with your desired password. Click File and select Save As. In the Save As Type drop-down, select All Files. Name the file locker.bat and click Save. Now, double-click locker.bat. A folder named Private will appear. Place the files you want to protect inside this folder. Once done, double-click locker.bat again. It will ask if you want to lock the folder. Type Y and press Enter. The folder will disappear. To unlock the folder, double-click locker.bat again. Enter your password and press Enter. The folder will reappear with all your files intact. This method is useful for hiding files from casual users, but it is not the most secure option. The password is stored in the batch file as plain text, meaning someone with basic knowledge of scripting can edit the file and find your password. If you need stronger security, consider using encryption software like BitLocker or VeraCrypt. If you need to delete the script, simply right-click on locker.bat and select Delete. You can also delete the private folder if you no longer need it. This method works on most versions of Windows, including Windows 10 and Windows 11. However, it does not work if your system has certain security policies in place that restrict batch scripts. Make sure to remember your password, as there is no recovery option if you forget it. If you want to change your password later, right-click on locker.bat, select Edit, and modify the password in the script. That is how you can lock a folder in Windows 11 without using any third-party software.